Welcome to the Trufam Drainage Channel, where viewers see real stormwater solutions built across Tampa Bay and the surrounding communities. Today's project takes place in Clearwater, behind a back porch with almost no access. A narrow corridor only a couple of feet wide, packed with mature areca palms and layered in Mexican beach pebble. With no path for equipment, this job will be excavated by hand. The crew begins with the palms. Each cluster is loosened by cutting through the root mass and then applying controlled tension to draw the roots free from the soil. Once a cluster breaks loose, the team trims it down into manageable sections and carries it out, working methodically until the corridor opens up. This careful approach protects the surrounding hardscape and sets the stage for the rest of the build. Day 2 in Clearwater begins with the palm corridor cleared. Overnight, Matt hurt his back, so he steps out of the trench and leads the crew from the sidelines, keeping pace and quality on target. The layout is already confirmed. Today is about excavation. The team finishes surface prep by pulling the remaining Mexican beach pebble and staging clean rock for reuse later. Then, the hard part starts. Below grade, the soil gives way to a dense layer of embedded stone, braided with areca roots. Progress is slow and deliberate, each foot of trench carved through rock and roots, then widened to working depth. It takes longer than a typical dig, but the crew stays on it, opening a clean corridor end to end. Pitch will be fine-tuned after the full run is open, ensuring consistent fall away from the home. In the next phase, the crew will cut precise sections of concrete, install the drainage pipe beneath the slab to tie in both rear downspouts, and finish with fresh concrete for a clean, durable surface. Next morning in Clearwater, the crew returns to lock in final pitch on the main line. Working section by section, they fine-tune the fall and confirm a clean route. Past the last of the Mexican beach pebble, the surface transitions to Astroturf. The team carefully pulls back the turf, lifts the crushed base beneath it, and continues the trench below so the surface can be reset clean when the work is done. With the main line trenched and pitched end to end, attention turns to the slab crossings. The crew cuts and removes precise sections of concrete, opening a controlled path beneath the porch slab. From there, the drainage system is installed, pipe set to grade, joints aligned, and the run tied together for uninterrupted flow. Then the openings are rebuilt with fresh concrete for a smooth, durable finish. At the rear, both downspouts are integrated into the system, each tied in with Trufam's vented downspout cleanouts to provide access and improve flow. Just downstream, sediment basins act as debris traps and inlets, capturing shingle, grit, and dirt before water reaches the rest of the system. Due to corrupted footage, portions of the closing sequence weren't recorded, so you'll see a jump from installation to the finished result. The build is complete, and the system is live excavated by hand, pitched correctly, and finished where needed with new concrete to move water away from the patio. Now Matt walks the site for a final review, highlighting the route, the tie-ins, and how the system gives water a proper path out.
Hey, good afternoon everyone. We're here in Safety Harbor. Finishing up a job. Well, actually we just got finished up. On this job here, we had areca palms all along here and all along this rock bed here that we took out for the customer. They wanted to open up the area a little bit, and they were having problems with this area holding water. So what we did was we installed, the other thing is they're also having water coming from the neighbor's yard, because their house is at the end of the street and everything comes downhill. So all the water is working its way down this way. We installed a French drain along this section here, and then we have a clean out basin here, and it's gonna also has a 6-inch top. I'm out of the graded tops right now. It's just a solid one. I'm gonna come back by and install a graded one for that. We also tied in the downspouts back here with our downspout cleanouts. These cleanouts allow for an access point. You're able to take this centerpiece out and run a hose down in there, a camera if you need to, and also this grate keeps any large debris out of the system. Another thing that these cleanouts do for the system is act as a vent. These are vented cleanouts, so it's just like your sink or your toilet. It helps to keep everything draining and more efficient. So after every downspout, we always put in a catch basin. This is another one. This one here does have the graded top on it, and the grates on our tops are bigger than the openings are bigger than the box store ones, so it allows for more water flow. But to still filter out all of the larger debris, so it doesn't get down in the system. So whenever we do a downspout, we always install a downspout clean out afterwards in line It depends on the layout of the landscape, on how far away we do a clean out, but we like to do a clean out not that far away. So one, it gives us access to that lateral line that goes to that downspout, but then it also will catch all the sediment. So shingle, gravel, dirt, and stuff like that will get caught once it goes, because those things will fall through the downspout clean out, but then it'll get caught here in the basin instead of clogging up the rest of the line. So I said here we tied in another downspout here with another downspout clean out, and underneath this rock here we have another catch basin. Our catch basins have a 1 gallon capacity in the bottom of them, unlike the ones, even the 12 by 12s that have just a little 2-inch sump in the bottom of them for sediment. We ran the underground drainage here underneath to one of our pop-ups, and that pop-up has our turf restrictor plate on it, and that plate is going to help to keep that grass from growing over the top and blocking the lid from being able to open. So if you're in the Tampa Bay area, feel free to reach out to us for all your drainage needs. Thank you.